Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times in the past. That's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be played and put in motion here. But a tricky chart because it did break down below the lower portion of this channel, but it's not like it was a total collapse. I mean, the price essentially closed still right at that level, but I'm going to go ahead and now consider this a level of resistance, and this is just based on a foundation rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance because the price fell down below the 15-cent mark here, and then you can see spent the late afternoon trying to get back above it, but can never quite do it. But like I said, I would offer up no argument if somebody said, no, I would still consider this a support because the price is still very close to it. I would say that's fine. I 100% understand where you're coming from. I get it. So that's how close it is. It really can go any direction. Now, the good thing that didn't occur here though was, had the price broken to the downside of the channel and then closed like all the way down there, at that point, that's a very nasty situation because that would be a full-blown breakdown to the downside. So again, it did break to the downside, but it's not like it broke and then the bears and the sellers came pouring in or anything like that. So it would not be shocking in the least to see the price, snap back and get inside of that range that it was previously. So that is definitely going to be priority number one, is just for the price to get back inside of this range where it had been for basically the entire week long. And, in order for it to quote unquote get back, that would be getting a good strong volume break of 15-cent mark. And, ideally, if it can get up closer to 16 cents, that would be good confirmation that, it's officially back inside of the channel. But what you want to be very careful of, though, is that the price doesn't completely spin out of control. What would I define as quote-unquote spinning out of control? Well, if the price goes down in there to 14 cents, which was this low from here, and then just, blast down through there, at that point, that changes the landscape of the chart quite a bit. And that's what I would consider now officially out of control. But as of now, not even close to happening. But, that is definitely going to be a very important level of support going into next week. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.